Hey guys, welcome to and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to give you some tips how to improve your English. If you want to improve English, please stick with our channel and watch all the video which I am going to upload on this site. So please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon which is beside the red button, okay? And I'm going to give you some tips which are very important to improve your English, and those tips are, please increase your consumption. And if you ask to me how I should improve my consumption English words, then my answer to you that you should watch lots of videos, documentaries and Netflix which are going to give you lots of new words, and you can search those words in Google and write those meanings in your journal, in your diary, and please revise those journals once a week, once a month, which are very wonderful. And some people are doing some very strange things. They are going to cram all those words, they are going to cram, and this is not work at all, because if you are cramming, then you are gonna to forget all those words within few times, and that's why you should not cram at all. Instead of cramming, you can go on article and you can read all the article, and if you want to find any strange words, go on YouTube and go on Google, go on anywhere, find out the way exact meaning of those words and write down those words in your copy, and please revise those words, and then again go on the article and read the article, which is very important for you. And my second tip to you, please listen. Listening is very important, okay? You have to listen carefully English speakers, which are very important, okay? And you are, some people are what are doing, they are put their headphone in their ear and do not listen what person is telling about, okay? You have to listen carefully, okay? And my third tip, please speak, because the natural way to learn English is speaking. If you ask why I'm telling it, it's natural, because if you are observing around you, that here are lots of students who are lots of boys who are less than 3 years are know how to speak good English fluently, because they are not going to schools, they are not studying academy books. They, what you are doing, they are only imitating people around them, they are only imitating other people's and try to speak those words on exactly which are really helping them, okay? So what is the method? The natural method is imitating method. You have to imitate. If a person going to ask me, Pankaj, give one method which is very important to learn any language, then my answer to that person is, please imitate as much as you can imitate, because imitation is very important, because imitation is the things which are going to help, okay? And if you want to learn American English, to go and watch American news, American videos, American movies. If you want to learn British accent, you go British movies, British news and British documentaries, which are very important. If you want to learn Australian accent, you have to go Australian news, Australian videos, which are very important. If whatever accent, you have to go those countries and you have to learn. And sound is very important. You have to look at their how they lip sync. Lip sync is very important, because if you are able to catch the lip sync, you are able to produce those accents very easily. And I'm going to give you some channel names which are very important to improve English. You can go Janvi English, you can go ABC News, you can go a lots of news platform are there. You can go and you can check out, okay? I will send a link in below my videos, okay? Don't worry about that. And my fourth is, you have to increase your vocabulary based on reading method, okay, which I already mentioned into it. And fifth tips to you, that you please don't translate in your mind, because I see lots of people, what they are doing, they are simply listening their regional language and try to translate in their mind into English language, which these are totally bizarre, because it's gonna to take a lots of time, it's very hectic, and you are not feeling enjoyment. So please think in English. It is very important. When you started thinking English, it is gonna to work for you and it's gonna to work for everyone. Please don't translate, and please enjoy the process, because if you are not gonna to enjoy the process, you are not gonna to achieve anything, because enjoy is very important. You are not gonna to pick up economics books, you are not gonna to pick up science book for English learning. No, you have to pick up novels, non-fiction books, story books, which are very important in this process of learning speaking. This is very important, and all this I have told you previously about. These are very important thing. And lastly, I wanted to tell you that it's gonna to take time. Okay, be have a patient. I see a lots of people who are very hastic. They wanted to learn in 1 month. It's not gonna to come in 1 month because it's a very foreign language. It's gonna to take time. To please stick with this process for 3 months, for one year. That will help you to improve your English. And please stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy. Thank you for watching my video.